Okay, and this video is going to show how to replace your fog light in a new 2019 CR-V. We haven't even had an oil change in this thing, and it already broke a fog light. So I don't know what that's all about. But anyway, the first thing you do is you start off by taking off this plastic shroud. It's got some snaps on it. What I did was I just used a pry tool here and get in and just kind of pry it until you hear a snap. Go all the way around. Usually use this side as the last side. Alright, you got 3 screw holes. You got one right here, another one right here, and you have another one right there. And it corresponds to this hole right here. The second one I mentioned is right there. So I just kind of reached behind there with a stubby number 1. And now, since this is kind of bent out of the way, that allows me better access back there. Alright, now that I got it out, got the 3 screws here. 1, 2, 3. And take this outlet out by pinching it. Just push down on this little guy and pull. And then these 2 tabs. Bam. And bam. So now I'm going to install the new one, which I got on Amazon, about 90 bucks. There's the old one. First thing to do on this guy is just snap them into place. Doesn't really seem to snap into place too well. But anyway, you want to hold that and screw in with those 3 screw holes to fix it. Okay, so far this is the hardest part of it. Since this is an OEM, from the manufacturer, I don't even think this thing is threaded, so I'm using the existing screws and I'm just kind of slowly threading them down, kind of like tapping them out. Takes a little while, but or you could use a different gauge screw, but yeah, it's kind of a hassle. So if you want to avoid this step, I'd get the original stuff. Alright, no worries. Now that I got the 3 screws back in, tapped out that plastic, and I go ahead and pop this guy in, click, and it's ready to be installed. Alright, so that wasn't that bad. You get your screw here, and the screw up there. Had a hard time with this one, so what I did is I took a magnet and I put it on the end of the number 1 stubby. I put the screw on the end of that, and it helped me guide it into the hole. Now, I'm just going to pop this guy back into place. This might take a minute. Alright, so that wasn't that bad. There's just a little bit of a trick to it. There's 2 tabs that kind of want to go this way. So you want to push it inward here and then finish up by smushing it in right here, and they'll just click into place. And there you go. The dealer wanted about $220 to fix that, and that's a $90 fix. So hope it helps you guys out there. Thanks. Alright, here's the new one that I installed. Looking good. Same as the other one. Alright, this is Dave again. What I'm doing here is took off the plastic shroud around the fog light with the plastic scraper tool, pry tool. And I'm going to put this, what we got here, Laminex coating over it to prevent from further rock injury. Alright, so here it is. Kind of worked my way out from the center, smoothed out any bubbles. Sometimes you might have to peel it back and reapply. Just try to get those bubbles out. Alright, so I used X-Acto blade. Kind of pushed it against, flush against the plastic, and did like a sawing motion and cut out the rest of the plastic. And it's pretty good. It's pretty natural. Just make sure you got no bubbles. Apply the plastic shroud pushing this way first, back, and then this part second, and you'll have your protected fog light.